Yeah, so I'm a student at University of Tel Aviv. I've been studying here for about 8 months now. I'm majoring in Middle Eastern studies and I'm doing a minor in entrepreneurship. And I'm really having an amazing time. It's the best year of my life. I'm from Philadelphia, so I grew up in America. I knew a little bit of Hebrew growing up, but I came here to Israel for 2 years, and I've been learning so much about Israeli culture, Israeli society, Hebrew. I'm learning so much from these classes. It's really everything's really applicable. Yeah, so I've always had a really deep interest in what's going on like in political affairs, especially around the Middle East. So I came here. I never really expected to study Middle East studies, but the department here is amazing. All the teachers here are really experts and they really do research and they're leading in the field. So I came here and started doing classes and I just fell in love with the complete um it's like a very nuanced perspective that they have at Tel Aviv University. It's really interesting. I would say that in the formative years of your life where you're starting to find yourself, your culture, your identity, it's really amazing to be in a place where the culture is so complex, and even more than that, it like pushes you to make yourself a better person. Like being in Israel, you do have to fight for some things and you kind of have to adapt to the environment a bit. But at the same time, there's so much access to new languages, so much access to amazing food, so much access to new social relations that I think being in Israel in this time of your life, like 19 to 20, 20 to 21, 18, it's really it's the best time to be here. I'm so happy that they let me come. They although I haven't seen them in a while, I'm really excited to see them, but I think they'll see the changes in me for the better. I think they'll really appreciate that they sent me here, and I really appreciate them for giving me this opportunity.